GoPro fails again, but we have a way around it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This one's going to be a little bit different than you're used to seeing from us. I'm actually filming this in StreamYard right now. This is the software that we actually use when we do our live. This way was the easiest way I could possibly think of trying to do this video for you. Our GoPro failed again during our haul video. I had everything shown, everything was ready to go. The file got corrupt and we lost it. But luckily, I still have the video clips from what we filmed in the store, so I can still show you some of the items. Now, some of the items, they're pictured kind of in the video, but I'm going to have to explain what some of them are. Especially, there's a big selling item in this video that just sold the other day that the little Yinzer picked up and made a nice profit on it. So she was super happy about that. But I'm going to show you some clips here, and then after each clip, I'm going to tell you what we found and how I think we'll do. So this first clip I'm going to show you, it had some Christmas crafts there. Now, these Christmas crafts sold super fast. Kathy's World, one of our watchers, bought one of these, and the other two flew off the shelf. Should I have listed them higher? Probably. I didn't know that, and honestly, they're out of here. We made money on them. Super happy about it, but I'm going to show you the clip now.
What is it? No, I don't think that'll. But what's? Just keep looking. Yeah, come over here and look. Oh, hey, babe, what about this? This actually may be good.
In that video, you could see that the middle Yinzer found this ornament. It was a cat dragging like a clown type deal. She paid 99 cents for that. It was from Poland. It's a very hard to find ornament, I would say. I think we have it listed right now at either $9.99 or $12.99. It's actually a really cool ornament. But the main things that you saw in that video were these Christmas crafts. We had a train depot, we had a log cabin, and I'm drawing a blank on the other one. All of these were $4.99 in the store. They were brand new, sealed. They were old crafts, basically something that you can sit there and paint and display in a village. They caught my eye, and I knew I had to have them. So I went over, and I wish they would have had more, because there are a bunch more in that set. I'm still happy with what we found there. On to the next clip. I didn't end up picking up this item, and I want you guys to comment below if I should have. The sold comps were kind of weird on this item, and I was just really unsure about picking it up. If it was closer to spring or summer, I think I would have bought it. But with it being winter, it was very hard to pick it up.
Let me get this.
It's his 60th happy birthday. His 60th happy birthday.
No.
For 99 cents. 59. 59. This?
No.
Oh, look at this.
No.
Now, usually when I go to thrift stores and stuff like that, I always end up looking at the coffee mugs. I haven't really had that great of luck with coffee mugs recently. Now, there's a few there that might have been worth something, but I decided to leave them behind. I don't know a lot about coffee mugs. There's only certain ones I'd look for. If you happen to notice anything in that video, let me know, because maybe next time I won't overlook it. Now, this next video clip I'm going to show you, it's just a funny one. She wanted me to keep in here, so I'm going to show it to you now.
See if you see it. No, they don't sell.
Where's his Oh my God. Look at these.
Put them on. That could be our thumbnail. Hold on, move your hand. Keep it on. Let me get this too. Let me double check that. Let me see that real quick.
Now, I thought the roller stamp would have actually been worth it, but it wasn't. I didn't see any sold comps on it, but when I did end up searching for it, there just wasn't much movement on it. So I decided to leave it there. But at the end of that clip, you could see this little styrofoam box in the cart. This was a 12 Days of Christmas porcelain Christmas ornament. The little Yinzer found this. She paid $4.99 for it. She was super happy to find this. When I eBay searched it while we were in the store, again, this was another item. The sold comps were just all over the place, but we couldn't find a complete set of these ornaments being sold. I told her, hey, pick this up. If you wanted it, it's $4.99. It's worth it taking a risk. There was a lot of people on eBay selling them individually, but they were not selling. So we listed it at $52.99, and it sold. It sold fairly quickly within a week. She was super excited to get rid of this. We actually had a box at the house. It fit perfectly in it. It should get there safely. We wrapped it up in bubble wrap, saran wrap. It's all in there. These ornaments should not move in the packages. This was a super good find by the little Yinzer, and it's so nice whenever they go out with us to go search for stuff, because sometimes they see things that we don't, maybe because of their height, just where they're looking, and they also have a mindset that's a little bit different than I think we do because we've been doing it so long. So it's super fun when they go out and try to find stuff. Now, I'm going to say this, though, but both of my kids who were in this video are super competitive. Now, the middle one was super upset that her sister sold this and got all this money, but the little Yinzer also gave her sister $5 from it to make her happy. So, yes, they fight sometimes and they're at each other's necks, but they are best friends. So they definitely enjoyed that sale. The next clip I'm going to show you, we didn't purchase any shoes here, but I just want you to see what types of shoes we have in our area and the prices that this place had them at. Now, if there's a pair of shoes that you see in this video that you should say, hey, you should have picked these up, let me know. But none of them really caught my eye and nothing that I really wanted to clean up.
What's up? Guitar was out there helping somebody? Yeah. All right.
So those are our shoe prices, and those were the shoes that were there. A lot of places around here that I go to, our shoe selection is really, really poor. Now, some other places have great shoe selection, especially out west. I know some of the other people who watch our videos do really great on shoes. We do not. But hey, you win some, you lose some with the shoe game. I'm just not a huge fan of cleaning up shoes, so I try to avoid them as much as possible. There was also one other item in there we found. It was a Bible on CD. It was actually in a leather case back with CDs. They charged me $2.99 for it. I have it listed right now. I can't remember what it's actually listed at, but I have a feeling it's going to move probably within the next couple months. I hope so. Some of them would move, but it was Bible on CD. I think it was the Old and New Testament. I think it was a total, it was like 60 CDs or something, but it was in a leather case. Super cool. And for $2.99, I couldn't pass it up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really wish that I didn't lose that footage from my camera, because honestly, I showed everything in there and had it going really well. But hey, mistakes happen, and you got to just go with the punches and do what you can. Now, this was a thrift store too that we've never been to before. And as we were leaving, my kid pointed to a piece of paper on the window that said no filming. So I did it with my phone. I was kind of nonchalant about it, but nobody said anything. But we will definitely probably go back at some point. It's not going to be one of our routine places we go to, but it's there if need be. So until next time, guys, remember, hit that subscribe button down below. If it's red, turn it gray. Hit that bell notification and smash that thumbs up. And until next time, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.